Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Myself Pooja, I am your English teacher. I welcome you all in English class. Students, in previous class we have learned lesson 1 of English first. Yes, and the name of the lesson is the alphabet. So we have completed the exercises of the lesson. And in previous class I gave you some homework. So I hope all of you have completed. Yes, very good. You should complete your homework first. Okay. So today in this class we are going to learn lesson 2. And the name of the lesson 2 is vowels and consonants. Okay. So students, before learning about vowels and consonants, I ask you a question. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Very good. 26. Yes, we have learned in previous class that there are 26 letters. Okay. So students, 5 of them. Okay, 5 of them are vowels. Are called vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So how many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. How many? 5. So A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and other than these letters are called consonants. Are called consonants. Okay बच्चों, हमारे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं. उनमें से 5 लेटर्स होते हैं वॉवल्स. क्या होते हैं? वॉवल्स. A, E, I, O, U. आप लोग को इसी तरीके से लर्न करना. एंड और इनके अलावा मीन्स ये 5 होंगे. कितने 21 लेटर्स आपके जो हैं वो होते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट्स. वो क्या कहे जाते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. सो देयर आर हाउ मेनी कॉन्सोनेंट्स? 21. ओके, डन. सो आई होप you have understood that there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So students, in your English first fair notebook, in previous class मैंने first lesson you have written capital letters and small letters. Yes, then you have to turn the page and you have to write chapter 2 and write lesson name, vowels and consonants. Okay, then you have to write question 1. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? These questions answers are not in your book. Okay, but you have to write these questions in your fair notebook. Then you have to write the answer 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Then you have to leave a line. Then write question 2. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? Okay, then answer should be 21. So this is your homework. This is your homework. You have to do these 2 questions answers in your English fair notebook. English first fair notebook. Okay? Done? So now let's read the book. Okay, my dear students, this is your grammar book. Okay? And the name of your grammar book is Grammatics. So all of you requested to open your book and take out lesson 2. Okay students, lesson 2, and the name of the lesson is vowels and consonants. Okay. So as I told you about the vowels and the consonants. Okay students, now let's revise once again. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. Very good. And how many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. Very good. How many? 5. And name them. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And consonants, the letters other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. Very good. So the English alphabet has 21 consonants. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? 21. Okay, so vowels 5, there are 5 vowels, and consonants 21. Done? Good. Now read the following words. You will notice a vowel in the middle of each word. A means here vowels have been given to us, and in these words in the middle we are having a vowel. Okay, like let's read vowel A: bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, rat, sad. So in these words A is written. Okay, A is written in the middle of these words. Yes. Now let's read vowel E: bed, dan, hen, jet, net, pan, set. Very good. Here also we can see E in the middle of these words. Then I, vowel I: wit, fin, hit, kid, lid, pin, win. So students, what you have to do, you have to read these words. Okay, these words are very small, so you have to read. Okay, in these words also we can see that there are vowel I. Okay, in the middle of these words. O. Now next one O. Now let's read: box, cot, dog, fox, hot, pot, road. Good, very good. Now U. Okay, now let's read about U. Bud, cut, hut, jug, mug, nut, put. Okay, students, ये put पट नहीं है, it is called its pronunciation is put. Okay, like bud, cut, hut, jug, mug, nut, but it is put. Okay, students, so read these words carefully. Now let's solve the exercises. Okay. Okay, students, exercises. Exercise A. See the following pictures. Fill in the blanks with vowels. Okay, it is very interesting exercise. So students, in this exercise what we have to do? Yes, very good. First we have to look at the picture. Okay, and here you can see some letters are written. So these are the spellings of the given pictures. Okay, so here students, the spelling of the picture is given and we have to complete it. Okay, we have to write here the missing letter. Done, and it should be a vowel. क्या होना चाहिए बच्चों? ये vowel means होना चाहिए, यहाँ vowel ही आएगा. So first you have to learn the spellings of these pictures. Yes, then only you can you will be able to solve this exercise. अगर आपको इन सब की स्पेलिंग बच्चों पता होंगी तभी आप इनकी जो वर्ड्स हैं इनको कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? वेरी गुड, कार. व्हाट इज दिस? कार. सो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कार? C-A-R. C-A-R. So write here A. Next one P blank N. P blank N. So what is the spelling of pen? Very good, P-E-N. So write here E. Next one, very good. This is very easy spelling. So what is this? Rat. Good, very good. And the spelling of rat? R-A-T. Nice. And what is this? Cat. Very good. And the spelling of cat? C-A-T. So write here E, A, and here also A. Okay, students, completed. Very good. Next, H. What is this? Hat. So spelling of hat? H-A-T. Good. What is this? Egg. And the spelling of egg is E-double-G. So let's write the missing letter. Okay. Next, F-A-N. The spelling of fan is F-A-N. And here the spelling of cup, C-U-P. Cup. Okay, so now let's write. Okay, student, next one. What is this? Yes, very good. You have seen aunt. Aunt means क्या होता है बच्चों? चींटी. Okay, so spelling of aunt, A-N-T. Good. And what is this? Yes, in early morning, daily you see? Good, sun. Okay, so write here S-U-N. And what is this? Bus. Very good. And the spelling of bus, B-U-S. And what is this? Toy. Toy means क्या होता है बच्चे? Toys. You play with the toys? You play? Good. Nice. So spelling of toy, T-O-Y. So write here. Okay, student, next one, bowl. The spelling of bowl is B-O-W-L. And student, what is the meaning of bowl? Yes, कटोरी. कटोरी या कटोरे को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bowl. And this one, yes, very good. Moon. So spelling of moon is M-O-O-N. And this one, yeah, this is your favorite thing? Good. Book. Spelling of book, B-O-O-K. And this one, door. D-O-O-R, door. So write the missing letters. Complete the spellings. Okay, next. What is this? Chair. Very good. You sit on chair. Chair पर बैठते हो ना? Yeah. So spelling of chair is C-H-A-I-R. So write here. Good. Very good. Next one. What is this? Clock. Very good. You see the time? It tells you the time. Yes. ये आपको time बताती है ना? हाँ. Clock means होता है बच्चों घड़ी. So write here. Spelling is C-L-O. And what is this? Bread. So you eat in the breakfast? Okay. Now let's write the spelling. B-R-E-A-T. Good. And the last one, this one is stick. And the spelling of a stick is S-T-I-C-K. So students, we have completed this exercise. So what is your homework? Means what is your class work? First you have to complete these the given spellings, means the given words in good handwriting. Okay, make A, E, O means the missing letters properly in the book, and this work you have to do in the book only. Okay, don't write this work in copy. आप copy में ये work नहीं करेंगे. Understood? And then after completing, what you have to do? You have to learn all the given words. Okay, you have to learn all the given words or all the given spellings. Okay, students, today we have learnt about the vowels and the consonants, and we have completed this exercise. Okay, so tomorrow in the next class of English First, we will complete this lesson. Okay, good. So till then, complete your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.